Are you looking to achieve a flatter belly and faster weight loss? One key factor to consider is the types of foods you consume. Here are 5 foods to avoid if you want to reach your goals. First on the list is sugary drinks. These beverages are packed with empty calories that can quickly add up and sabotage your efforts to slim down. Opt for water or unsweetened tea instead. Next up is processed foods. These items are often high in unhealthy fats, sugars, and preservatives that can hinder your progress. Stick to whole, natural foods for better results. Another culprit to steer clear of is fried foods. These items are typically loaded with unhealthy fats that can contribute to bloating and weight gain. Choose grilled, baked, or steamed options instead. Additionally, it's important to limit your intake of refined grains like white bread and pasta. These foods can cause spikes in blood sugar levels, leading to cravings and overeating. Lastly, be wary of foods high in trans fats, such as certain packaged snacks and baked goods. These fats can increase belly fat and slow down your metabolism. By avoiding these 5 foods, you'll be on your way to a flatter belly and faster weight loss. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and advice.